Did you know that around 13% of women report a spike drink incident at least once in their life? 2.2% of adults. And worst of all, only 10% of these incidents get reported. 80 to 90% do not get reported because I don't see the point. Let's do some research. We need to do something. So this will be the front end of the drink safety app that I'm introducing. Our first step in this app is that we have to save a few, about 5 emergency contacts through this. I used this contacts button, and then I have saved one contact. So this is how you do it. Since we said ABCD, I'll say GH. You can name whatever. Mm. So let's say this is a parent, and we're going to save it. So we have two contacts saved by now. That's the first step when we use this app. The drink name is optional. Let's say I'm on a date and I'm having an arrangement, and the color is supposed to be an amber, but it looks brown for some reason, and it smells alcoholic, uh, strong alcohol, and a burning sensation. I suspect this drink. Yeah, yes, symptoms. And I have added a type to filter section where you can just type in. It filters the ones that are not in not relevant. And you can select multiple. This and the drink was left unattended. I went to the restroom for a while. Imagine. And I suspect this to be um methanol. That's and another detail that I would like to explain in this section is that I have used the color of the toxic chemical, and this is an emerald range model. The color of the chemical as well as what it typically tastes like, so we can get an idea of the suspicions we might have. And then I chose methanol and I got let's say I took a few sips before going to the restroom. They analyze it. Mm. I get a score 49 out of 100. So I have a pop-up alert for suspicious activity, and I'd like to alert my emergency contacts, and I can cancel my alert here on second thought. So let's check another drink. Let's make this very suspicious. Let's say this is I don't know, lime juice. Wait, let's try something else. Maybe just I've never tried in person, but and it looks slightly cloudy. Mm. And let's say burning. The taste, let's say it tastes metallic. Let's make this really bad. Let's say sediment at bottom. That's the telltale sign. And I'm dizzy, I'm drowsy, I'm nauseous. And then this is no joke. This is no joke. Um, the drink was left unattended. I go to the restroom this time too. And yes, my date gave me the drink, so I'm not sure. And I suspect this to be a recent metallic, right? Mm, Um, okay is too bad. What we have to make this super bad. We need a high risk alert for this out of nation drink. So six, five, 3 to 1. I have a risk score of 93 and I'm letting everyone answer. Okay. So this is how the alerts go to both of my contacts. The alert is sent and then the location is sent. So they know where I am. They can come ASAP as something so with the date. And so let's try a normal one as well. Let's check another drink. Let's do a normal one. Let's say I have kindness, and it's clear. We're just using the alpha this time. Um, this is paper. Yes, it's clear. And by the way, so if we are having a fruit juice and it has seed at the bottom, we would have to select sediment at bottom. I guess that's common sense and a piece of apple and those things. And I don't feel any symptoms. Context. No, I'm okay. I've been I've been with this guy for some time, I guess. You still can't trust him. Just receive it. Let's go. Okay. It's it. So there's no need to worry about the lenses. We can have lenses. So yeah, this is how this app works. And I have tried to add all the possible options. Or not. This is not just about dead scenarios. You can get spiked anytime, anywhere. We never know. Also, I would like to mention that this is just a prototype of the idea that I want to get done through this app, and that the functioning of this app can be extended to such a vast extent that we can use the sensors of the wearables we wear, like smartwatches, and we can in a way that we can place the chemical on the sensor and it detects the chemical structure and molecular formula and then reads what chemicals are present in the drink or food sample, and then it follows the order of this app and gives us a risk score. So we can definitely develop this into a much larger scale, but I hope that this prototype would really help generations of women mainly, but all people in this world. And honestly, I would like to thank RYSERA STEM for giving us this opportunity to present our ideas and actually make them happen. Thank you for watching, and I hope this inspires someone else to contribute their ideas to the world to make the world a better place and fight against crimes like this together. Thank you.